Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Cape May down at the Jersey Shore. Going to take a tour around some of these beautiful Victorian homes. They're historic, they're iconic, they're just simply beautiful, lovely gardens and things like that. Not going to be a lot of commentary, just going to show these homes off today. Come along with me down here at the Jersey Shore in beautiful Cape May. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, especially these Jersey Shore videos, why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already? If you're enjoying these Victorian homes, give this particular video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. That gets the video more views and the channel new subscribers. And if you'd like to support the New York channel, then why not become a member? It has its perks. It's only $2.99 a month. You get some perks, like I said, including some exclusive videos, so check that out. I'll leave a link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen right now if you'd like to become a member, and a link in the description below. And speaking of supporting the channel, a shout out to Jay Bart, also known around these parts as Joel, for leaving a super thanks in one of my latest Atlantic City videos, The Deck, over at the Golden Nugget. Had a great time there. Check that video out. Once again, Joel, thanks for your continued support of the New York channel, and thanks for everyone who helps support the channel. Of course, many of these Victorian homes are decorated beautifully for the holidays. About 2 years ago, I did a tour of these Victorian homes during the holiday season. actually went inside. That video is available here on the Nu Yawk channel. I'm probably going to, I didn't do it last year, but I'm probably going to do it again this year. So stay tuned for that. Lots of great ideas coming up for the holiday season. So again, stay tuned to the channel. This beautiful town of Cape May claims to be America's first seaside resort and has one of the largest collections of late 19th century frame buildings left in the United States. Many of these homes are actually inns, and they leave their property information along the picket fence. You'll see them all over town. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're heading into autumn, one of my favorite times of the year. Lots of content coming up, autumn related, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it.